good morning. It's day 2 and welcome back to my channel. It's day 2 here in Sikkim. Hashtag my trip in Sikkim. So 2023 and right now I just finished to brush my teeth, wash my face, everything. I'm getting ready. But wait, I'm going to have my breakfast first. Yeah, nằm nhìn nhá chặt tay chặt cam. I'm the PS morning. Good morning. This is like breakfast. Now you're chai. You chai bagi man step. Right now I'm in a bolero. Kate. Crepe me ili ni la natula cengustan. Ya. Teh bolero gitu itu. Dom go to ami cepok sini. Tayo ma sabrong bulu. Iti iba pong bulu itu kenyi ban yalam ini. Katong tu kadiga station tu nang tu ngimi mentan we are off to North Sikkim. Tiang ni pi chato liang ya chana thula chengu chani perisha North Sikkim ngini ai. Ate poi halum chok te ngitem da kajing ruai hey gong thei. Hey con thầy mentang ipo yang lihat Seven Sisters Fall jong ke Sikkim. Hell air bang ni. Iwan nangkai banin today po. Dia nam takadi tu kejong ingin bamja hang ni ya. Po Gupta Hotel. Ishim daka egg thali. Amar bala dep order lepa pok package ke jongi kata tegni kani kan kada kejat ke ek thali ke bangi wa hang ni Iya mentah inang ni nak ini gari itu ki jaka ki bangila banlet ban ngisim permit rodang sohi bahkan bangin yo ban sang sikit ki jaka ki bang kwa mentang ida supaya halachen bat ket nang ni am tip sakat nopor maybe sa unit armit ngila apoy ha jakasa jongi mamba irit ha ilen ti pet da sun sa sun meningi mi shipau buji na gangtok nang balan ti la ya sangi takadang ipoi stam shnia ida supaya ni insang ni apo high mountain hotel. Ante mah, dah dang pahim step. It was quite tiring, but the trip was quite good because there are so many good viewpoints where we can check the mountains and the hills and the snow mountains as well. Yeah, this is our room here. It's quite nice. See, it's all with the wooden thing. We're supposed to be in another hotel, but the owner is not there since they are brother and sister, so we get this one. And this is the washroom. Oh, they have a washing machine over here. Ooh, nice. I love the bed. Look at this. Dia mentah kari prashteng bat ngin bamja hang ni. Wow, I like this. Like that sate. Jadi khurigi. Suka. Yeah, so nice. It's very cozy. Cozy. Oh, they're the family, the brother. Yeah, and then she's the one. She is the one who's the owner of this hotel. Yeah. Kat mentah hala po lacan gari tang 100 degree. Dia pila ban don kat no ka khriat. Kada khriat shisha ti kenapa ha. Ini ngajajungi and it looks so good. Pat ka best ha kas ai. Ti hang ti jaka shet jongki pila ban pe. I mentang shares ai ding ni. Hang ni ki po ikate. Penye best ha kenat pa. Bar ni kam yong sure ka kamera ru ka shu tamu malahi nanti ke pro ka tedam kala milut sti sebar. Ta hang ti don kyuja. Kitab dik nang bon sai nomor ka khriat ba mentang ini ane di badai ban pe yangi pe nang to internet ha ka kamera ru. Long bịch cũng hay yeng thằng bà hay thì cái này ông auntie bằng iyo napoh China kita napoh China napoh Natula exchange wojo exchange market ini street ni thap dengi ni tu hay tu how chat oh hang ni ki hap li nang ni delap li nang tai ite ilit nang tai taki sachet hang ti koi baca kaset ini hang ni kham he ang thei ba kham red te siam ti kum ni parlok philai I kani ka jaka buding ka jaka shet kapan saaj baru ya ka kamera kham tam hapor telang kada spens saaj bhai ka kamera baru kawai ka karmen pi itnat ya kani ka video go jonga ada pi itnat sa like sa share ba sa comment ru onam klat ban comment kum no pis ngom halor kani ka video but kum kino ki jai video pikwa bangan shna dan ik pikwa bangan ring nang ni syakmat ti kanang don saka day 3 ka singbalai bat na kermen pinang yai page na ka post ka por ti na banta kitu barang tu ki badang page thmai manta ka sin ka badang kong ka kermen pin subscribe ti kublishi bone ba philai karshan na ka post ka por ya baro ki subscriber jonga kublishi bone